Hello everyone, we are Team SIH Codebusters 2.0. Every year, thousands of comments are submitted on draft laws and policies, but reviewing them manually is slow, expensive, and often overlooks important feedback. Our solution changes this, making the process faster, smarter, and more transparent. Our solution is Janmanch Smart Policy Feedback Analyzer. It's an AI-powered platform that ensures every comment is heard, analyzed, and summarized into clear, actionable insights, helping policymakers act faster and with confidence. Instead of just labeling comments as positive or negative, Janmanch does multi-layer sentiment analysis, showing whether opinions are strongly or mildly supportive or opposed. It extracts topic-based insights, highlighting the exact provisions being discussed. Feedback is also grouped by stakeholders, experts, companies, and citizens, so technical opinions get proper weight. For evolving drafts, it enables revision comparison to see how sentiment shifts. Policymakers can interact with an AI chatbot, asking questions like what are the top compliance concerns, and get instant answers. Janmanch also supports multilingual input, predicts policy impacts, provides the regional acceptance dashboard, and finally gives a single trust index score that reflects overall public sentiment.
Now let's go through the flow of our webinar. First is gathering and preparing public feedback. The system starts by collecting all public comments submitted on new government policies. Extra information is identified by accepting feedback in multiple Indian languages, sorted comments based on who wrote them, an expert, a company, or a citizen, cleaning the text and removing all personal information to ensure privacy. Then we have AI/ML models. The clean data is fed to the smart AI engine, which analyzes it from multiple angles. It reads the emotional tone to gauge the intensity of public feelings, discovers the main topic and themes people are discussing, predicts the potential and real-world impacts of the policy based on feedback received, compares the feedback between an old draft and a new one to see if the changes were successful. Next, we have security and fair governance. The entire process is built to be secure, private, and fair. All data is protected with strong encryption and secure access controls. The system is monitored to ensure AI's conclusions are unbiased and represent public opinion fairly. Finally, we have the dashboard and interactive tools. All insights are presented to policymakers on a simple interactive screen. The dashboard displays information visually with word clouds, charts, and graphs. It provides a single acceptance score on a scale of 0 to 10 for a quick overview of public sentiment. This is the face of the system that the government officials use to understand public opinion and make decisions. This was the entire flow of our project. Now let's move on to the next section.
Why did we build Janmanch? Because in India, access to justice and grievance redressal is often slow, complex, and confusing. Studies show that nearly 70% of citizens with grievances do not even file them simply because they do not know the process or lack trust in it. At the same time, legal tech pilots around the world have shown that digital platforms can reduce complaint resolution time by more than 40%. So our project Janmanch is built on this proven idea that technology can make justice and public feedback more transparent, participatory, and efficient. Now let us see how a citizen actually uses it. On the Janmanch homepage, as we can see, there are login and sign up options. If a person does not have an account already, he or she can sign up using the credentials. As you can see, we are already signed in. Now we can also put our review here upon the law which is ongoing. So as you all can see, we have all the laws here. These laws have been closed. Their status is closed now. So we will not be able to put our review there. We'll just be able to see the analysis of how many reviews were taken and what was the actual overall sentiment that was produced. As you can see, here is the pie chart showing that 47.6% were neutral, negative were 19%, 33.3% is positive. We also have reviews categorized by age group and gender. Here we have positive reviews by gender, negative, neutral, etc. Here we have the age group as well. Like you can see, 66.7% of the votes were of the reviews were given by people aged under 18 to 40. Further, we can move back and we can look into the ongoing laws that we can edit. Like we can give our reviews there. Like for example, this one, Equal Pay for Equal Work Act. Here we have the target audience. We have the related classes, the description as well. A law to ensure the individuals performing the same job receive the same compensation regardless of the gender. You can write your review here, you can support, oppose, or you can be neutral with your opinion. So our review has been submitted successfully. Further, when the law is closed, we will be able to see the review that we can, the analysis of the review, like the pie charts and the flow charts as well. Now let me tell you about how we can generate the reports. Log in with my admin user. This is my admin username and password. Now I'm logged in as an admin. Here we can add the laws. Well, whatever draft laws we are going to have, we can add laws here and we can push the law so that the people can give their reviews. Further, let me show you how to generate the reports. like we have these reports, these laws are closed. The ongoing ones, I'll just once show you. You can also delete these laws whenever you feel like deleting it. Like we saw for this one, we can edit this and its current status is ongoing. We can give the related classes and we can check, put up its status as closed so that we can update it and we can generate a report on that. Now we have this generate report option where we will be able to see the report of how many reviews were taken and what was the output. So the report has been generated successfully since we have given only 2 to 3 reviews and all of them are positive. We have the overall sentiment as positive. There has been a software engineer giving a review and a student. Here we have the age group and other things. Further, we are also planning to add a chatbot which can give the suggestions and explain the laws well to the users. So this was all about our prototype for the law project, the Janmanch, that we can access. Thank you.
So let's dive into the technical approach of our Janmanch model. So our system is built on a robust and modern tech stack. The front end we uses React.js and Next.js for dynamic user interface, while the backend is powered by Python with Flask, Fast API, and Django. And we fine-tune the advanced transformer model like BERT for sentiment analysis, summarization, and clustering. Data is stored securely in the PostgreSQL or MongoDB, and the results are visualizing using D3.js and chat libraries. The flow is simple: data ingestion, then we move to pre-processing the data and AI analysis, database storage, and interactive dashboard. So let's dive into our feasibility and viability part. Why is this solution practical? It enables faster decision making, scales easily across ministries, reduce manual workload, and build public trust in governments. Technically, it is feasible because the mature NLP library like BOT already exists. Integration with platforms like MCA21 is possible by APIs, and cloud native setup ensures scalability and security. In terms of viability, Janmanch is aligned with the Digital India and e-governance goals, is cost effective, and can be replicated across ministries. It also opens doors for collaboration with academia and startups while maintaining legal and ethical compliance.
The impact is clear. Tasks that take weeks today can be completed in minutes. It promotes evidence-based policy making, ensuring real concerns are surfaced instead of just the loudest voice. It guarantees that every voice matters, no feedback is ignored, and complexity is simplified into clear insights. In short, Janmanch helps policymakers act with speed, clarity, and confidence. Let's go to our research and reference page. Our proposal is backed by solid research. We have used legal databases like Indian Kanun, Manuputra, and SEC Online, as well as Law Commission reports and Indian Code. We also refer to academic AI or NLP research such as Nyaya Anuman and rely on trusted framework like Hugging Face Transformers with model like BERT and BART. This strong foundation ensures our solution is both technically reliable and legally informed. Janman's smart policy feedback analyze user AI to save time, ensure transparency, and build trust between citizen and policymaker. This is all about Janman's. Thank you for watching.